chef hit, guys. Yeah. Hey, tell them when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with the chef guys. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma and my app and I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. This roll of dicing with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef and dice, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef and dice, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, you right. Chef and dice, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again in Good Kitchen. So we have some beef neck bones right here. Couple dollars. Can't go wrong. We also have some kidney beans out the bag. They've been soaking overnight in some water. So we about to make it happen. I done fell in love with this pressure cooker. And we're gonna see what it do with these neck bones and these beans with that pressure cooker. So we go ahead and clean these neck bones up. We'll make it happen. Alright, so here go the neck bones. Now we'll go ahead and put a nice little marinade together and give it a cool seasoning. Alright. Red vinegar. Sweet soy sauce. Seasoning. Italian. Onion powder. Paprika. Now we'll mix this in, put a top on, throw it in the refrigerator for 10 hours. Okay, so here we go right here. We'll add a little bit of vegetable oil. We don't need much, just a little something to cover the bottom. We want that vegetable oil to get nice and hot. Alright, we nice and hot. And we just go brown them up. After we brown them up to while lighting, we'll go ahead and throw it in our pressure cooker. We're talking about pressure cooker. Onion chopped up, white onion, half of a white onion. Tomato in there. So we're just giving it a nice little sear. Okay, so we have 4 cups of hot water. We're gonna add 1 chicken bouillon cube. There we go, right there. We'll add 2 more cups of water. Okay, so I just cut up a bell pepper, green bell pepper. We'll add our kidney beans and 2 cups of water. That's how we're looking right there. We have our chicken bouillon in there. So we'll put it on for 90 minutes, an hour and 30 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it started. Alright. We're on that good meat right there. That's that beef and pork. Yep. Hour 30 minutes. Let's start it. Boom. Turn that knob. Seal that bad boy. Shit. See you in an hour and 30 minutes. Okay, so I'm still learning how to work this pressure cooker. So I did it wrong the first time. So there we go right there. Got that P right there. And then 90 minutes. So now we'll go ahead and start it up. Make sure everything is everything. Boom. Got on the meat. Now we're gonna start it. Hold on. Look at that right there. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Look, everything done. Yup. Get them neck bones. Yeah. And I made it happen. Right hand is good kitchen. And if you made it this far, yes, get you one. Get you one for sure. All you gotta do is chop up your vegetables, season it, let it marinate, then throw it in there. Go to work, wherever you want, man. Get you one, for real. Alright, we about to get this good food on a nice plate. Okay, so here we go right here. We had a nice tender neck bones, beef neck bones, with the kidney beans out the bag. I let the kidney beans soak for 24 hours. I let the meat marinate, and my little marinade that I put together, the seasoning, for 12 hours. And that's how we looking right here. Did my thing in this good kitchen. Right out that pressure cooker. And when I say that meat is tender, it is tender, for real. I don't even need no fork for it, look. Boom, go right through it. So I did my thing in this good kitchen. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good afternoon. God bless. Hit dice. Happy Friday to the good family and friends out there. Don't forget to hit that like button. Share your boy video. Appreciate you.